Yeah, man, it's a beautiful day out here, man. Sunshine, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I think today I just want to answer the questions, you know what I'm saying? Somebody asks, like, how do you take profit? How do you take the TP when the market has 5 TP? Like, when the market has first take profit, second take profit, third take profit, and fourth take profit. So as you can see from this trade right here, let me show you what I'm talking about. This trade right here, we had take profit 1 and take profit 2, and the market did give us both take profits. We got take profit 1 was hit and take profit 2 was hit. Now you can see that we got a pullback, you know. So after take profit 1, I took all my profit, right? Let me show you another one. You see this one right here? You already know what next when you see this. After block out from the zone, now we're expecting more than 5 take profits because this is about to go high, you know. As you can see, we're willing to have a very big profit from this trade, you know. So I think that's a beautiful question, man. Yeah, whatever you are, I love that question. It's a beautiful question. And the question that you have, I remember same here. I used to have the same question back in the days. You know, I say, how does people deal with the TPs? So let me tell you guys how I do. This is how I take my this is how I do when the market has 2 main TPs. You know what I'm saying? The first thing first, you need to understand the forex market is proper risk management, right? The second thing you need to understand about forex trading is that you don't have to let your profit become a loss in the forex market, in the forex trading. So after you understand that, you don't have to let any cent that already enter in your account to go back to the market, because the market will never give to you back. You know what I'm saying? Let's say you're already in a profit and then you let that profit to become loss, which is no, bro. You should not do that. You know what I'm saying? So this is how I do it, guys. When the market has 1 TP, 2 and 3 TP, 4 TP, this is how I do it. So I jump in the market. Let's say I jump in the market with the that's why when I'm trading, I used to open different, like 2 main positions. Like maybe I just gonna open like 3 positions, 5 positions, up to 6 positions. So when I open 6 positions, I mean, that means that after I hit the TP1, in order for me to secure my account and to keep my account, you know, not to let any profit to go to the loss, when the market hit TP1, let's say I jump in with the 6 positions. When the market hit the TP1, I close 2 positions. All right, I close 2 positions. How do I close 2 positions? I shift the stop loss, you know, I say from the I shift the stop loss from where it was before I jump in the before I jump to the market, and I shift it straight up to the TP, like to the TP, like where is the TP1. So I don't care, maybe the market is gonna come back and hit me out with the TP1. It's all good, you understand? And then the second thing I do, I protect the profit from the rest of the positions. I shift their take profit inside to the profit. I mean, I'm not gonna shift all the profit inside to the like, I'm not gonna shift all the stop loss straight up to the TP1, but I just gonna shift it from from the loss inside to to my TP. Like, let's say I've got $100, I'm gonna lock like maybe $30, you know, $30. So which means that's how I do it. And then after I hit the second take profit, I'm gonna shift 4 pairs. We talk about 6 positions. So I'm gonna shift the stop loss of 4 positions. I'm gonna close the TP1 and the TP2 inside to the profit. You know what I'm saying? So that's the TP2. TP3, I keep on doing that. That's how I do it. That's how I deal with the take profit 1 and take profit 2 and take profit 3. Sometimes the market has even take profit 4, 5, you know. Yeah, man, I don't know how you do it in your own way, so that's how I do it. So guys, right now I'm about to hang up to somewhere. Yeah, man, I hope I answer a question. The other person asked me like, yeah, I saw a comment like, how do I join the VIP group? So and now like ask me like, how do I join the VIP group, and what am I expecting the VIP group? So it's a good question as well. When you join the VIP group, which means you're gonna be trading same as I trade. You know what I'm saying? If I didn't get a position, you're not gonna get a position. If I didn't make money, you're not gonna make money. But as soon as I get it, I catch the position. As soon as I catch the trade, I send this trade in the VIP group, and then we trade together. We make money together, you know. Yeah, sometimes, you know, when the day is when it's bad day, we didn't take any trade, you know. That's how it goes. You're not gonna take any trade. And but what we believe in trading is that we don't believe in over trading. We only trade when we have opportunity. When there's no opportunity, you need to keep your capital. So as you know, guys, it's the weekend, you know. I decided to come here just to spend my time right here, you know, just to have this beautiful view, man. You know, we spend a lot of time, you know, in the office watching the market. Sometimes you need to breathe, you know. This is one of the things which I like, you know, coming to the beach around this time. As you can see, guys, it's night. You know, I'm watching these beautiful, you know, waves, you know, I say, from the beach, and I say, so this makes me, you know, keep focus, you know, planning my next week, you know, I say, goals, you know, I say. So now I'm trying to take some rest, you know, because you already know, guys, it's a weekend. We have 2 days, you know, of break, you know. So I'm taking a break for the 2 days. I need to make sure I explore my life, you know, I say, go somewhere where I feel like I wanna go. Because as soon as we hit Monday, it's time to work, watch the market, send a signal to my team, you know, I say, make money, you know, I say, so that I can enjoy this life, man. Make sure making money. Back in the building. So, man, I hope you're ready for the next week. Make sure you join the free Telegram group. The link is on description below. Let's keep the market. If you don't say